everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Okay, now in this video today we have a special collaboration, and it's the 2022 Cozy Fall collaboration. Now let me go ahead and tell you who the hosts are, and there's quite a list, guys, so be patient and I hope I don't pronounce your name wrong. So let's get started. Okay, so we have Daniel from Second Chance Love. We have NC Mountain Momma, and that's Stephanie. We have Bonnie's Bargains. We have the Grace Life DIY home decor, that's Anna, and that's me. And then we have Amethyst Adventures, that's Courtney. I think I'm saying this correctly, Geizel Verali, Goode Home, Leslie Waz, and Jean E. Now I'm so honored to be participating in this collaboration with all these awesome content creators. So this is a Cozy Fall Decorate With Me collaboration, so we need to get busy decorating my space. Okay, now I'm going to be linking the hosts and the channel links down below in the description box, and hopefully I'll be linking the playlist. So make sure and full watch the video, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see how everybody did their fall cozy collab. Now, if you're not part of the Grace Life DIY family, what are you waiting for? I cannot wait to have you guys. Make sure and click the subscribe button and that notification bell where it says all, and you'll be notified every single time I upload a video. It is amazing how fast I can accumulate crafts. So if I'm not doing a decorate with me and I'm not doing a tablescape, I am doing DIYs, and they are piling up. So pretty soon I feel like I'm gonna be out in the driveway. Now we're going to go ahead and start over here in this window. I love this display window. It's big. I love the shelf. You can fit so many things in there. And this is one of the main areas of the house that I love to decorate. Anyway, it is in my living room, and we got to get these crafts out of the way. So let's start decorating, guys. Now I'm going to go ahead and leave you to a little bit of music as I go ahead and make some progress with this decorating. Make sure and click that like button and full watch the video, because when you do, you help me to grow. Also comment below, because I would love to hear from you. absolutely loving those ginger jars that you see there. They are absolutely gorgeous. I cannot speak enough about them. I don't think the camera's doing it any justice. Anyway, that was a bowl of the pumpkins that I got at the Dollar Tree, and they're really ramping up their game, guys. Okay, now I think I'm done with the window part. I think we need to move on over to the coffee table. Okay, so I went to get the cleaner and the paper towel just to make sure that we keep everything clean before we go ahead and place items on there, and I forgot about the end table. So let's take care of that. I am absolutely loving that floral arrangement I made in a past DIY, and I'm going to see if I find the link to it. I think that came out absolutely gorgeous. And then that one that I just moved, that long one, that one came out really beautiful too. But let's get to cleaning. So I think I did everything I was going to do with the coffee table, at least for now. So it's time to straighten up the couch, and then I see some stuff on the wall that we need to change. Okay, so now I removed a whole bunch of the crafts that I needed to move, and I'm happy now. So let's head on over to the reveal. So I want to thank every single person who hosted in this collaboration. I want to thank all the people that are watching and supporting us. And I really had a great time doing this collab. Thank you guys for having me. Now, I do hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed putting it together for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.